Okay, so this is one of the most commonly missed questions that I really wanted to go over before you guys started your homework, because it says a suspended mass of 10 kilograms causes an air hockey puck to move in circular motion on the surface. It says a frictionless surface. It says, what is the radius of the circle if the puck moves at 12 meters per second? So basically you have a 10 kilogram object that is somehow hooked up to a table, and that table is kind of a three-dimensional drawing. That table is somehow making a puck move in a circle and move with the velocity of 12 meters per second. You're trying to figure out what the radius value is. Okay, this one's a little tricky, so let's go ahead and look and see what we have. We have a radius is what we're trying to solve for. So that should tell you right away we're dealing with circular motion, so we're going to have to use the formula Fc equals mvt squared over r. Now hopefully by now you realize that the centripetal force is not a force in and of itself. It has to be caused by something else, somebody twirling something, some sort of tension between the rope. There has to be some sort of other force. The centripetal force just describes the direction, saying that it's causing it to move in a circle. But it's not an actual cause force. In this case, what is causing the object to move in a circle is the weight of this object. So really, Fg equals mg. It's a formula that we're going to have to use. But also, this Fg is equal to the centripetal force. Now once you realize that, this question is actually very, very easy. You can say, I know that the velocity that it moves at is 12 meters per second. I know the object that it's rotating, and this is where it's really important. You have a suspended mass and you have the object that's moving in a circle. The mass of the centripetal force is referring to the mass that's moving in a circle, and that is this 0.5 kilograms. Okay? Whenever you start to look at the weight, weight is the cause of the centripetal force, which would be 10 times 9.8. So remember that also equals Fc. It's very important that you be able to keep these masses straight as far as which one is which. So once you get to this point right here, you can say Fg is equal to mvt squared over r, or 10 times 9.8, because that's a different mass, is equal to 0.5 times 12 squared over the radius. So when you do this, you're going to try and isolate this r term, and how you're going to do that is you're going to take this term and this term, and you're going to end up switching them. You're going to multiply both sides by r, divide both sides by 10 times 9.8, and what you end up with is the radius is equal to 0.5 times 12 squared divided by 98. So 0.5 times 12 squared divided by 98 gives you a radius of 0.735 meters.